Bit of money in the cap now, Bruce. You getting itchy?
No, thank you, Paddy. That Tuvi's still a stir, isn't he? Thanks, Paddy. Warmer but wet is the word for the weekend. Courtney and the lads are up next with the weather, the beach and the fishing.
Welcome back. Here's what's making news at 6.
Next breaking, the US warns of an imminent BB King.
And live from Townsville, how the Broncos plan to spoil the Cowboys' 20th birthday celebrations.
Well, if you thought it was cold last night, you weren't wrong. Temperatures dropped to 7 degrees in some areas, and it felt even cooler thanks to the wind chill. 8 to 22 degrees at Coolangatta today, 23 the top at Burleigh Heads and Nerang, 24 at Southport and 7 to 23 degrees at Coomera. At the moment here in Surfers Paradise, it's around 19. Well, after a week of mostly clear skies, the clouds rolled in today. There were a few showers out to sea as well. Not a great weekend to be heading out for a dive. Visibility's less than 5 metres. And for the third day in a row, a strong wind warning for Gold Coast waters tomorrow. Southeasterlies up to 30 knots. High tide at the Seaway will be around 6:30 in the morning and low tide around 12:30 in the afternoon. Well, it won't be quite as chilly over the weekend, but we can expect a few showers. Tomorrow, partly cloudy, a shower or two and 24 degrees. Sunday, a high chance of showers and again a top of 24. A shower or two around early next week as well. Now here are the boys with what's happening out on the water.
Hey, thanks, Courtney. That big southerly's really pushed in here this morning. It means offshore this weekend, guys, not going to be any good at all. Sunday morning may be your best option, but for the most part, stick to the rivers and the estuaries. Plenty of whiting on the open beaches, and there's some tailor popping up at the headlands like here at Burleigh. Let's check it out. Yeah, very ordinary today. Not a good weekend for the boaties. Hopefully some better news in store for the board riders. Let's check it out with Tapper.
Well, thanks, Luke. A bit of a cool morning on the Gold Coast, with the only decent waves being D-Bar and the Tweed Coast. An awesome winter morning on the Gold Coast. South to southwest winds early, making it pretty chilly for the early morning surf. Definitely warmer in than out, cool on the land but nice in the water, with the temperatures and the southern beach breaks early, with a few little peelers on the points throughout the day. There should be a bit more surf tomorrow. Make the most of this swell over the weekend, and I'll catch you in the waves. Here's the beach report with Warren.
Thanks, Tapper. We're at a great start of the day here at Burleigh. Clear blue skies, winds coming from the southwest up to a metre of swell. Earlier nice for a swimming close. The water temp is great at 23 degrees as a couple of ski paddlers return after paddling into the breeze. And the view towards Surfers Paradise highlights the magic of a clear autumn morning. Walkers around Greenmount Point and a few swimmers in the flags enjoying the great water quality. For the weekend for swimmers, not bad conditions between the flags, although the southerly will increase and there will be a sweep to the north on the open beaches. So the corners at Greenmount, also Burleigh and Crumman will be the pick for sure. Take care, have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you next week.
Thanks, boys. Well, that's it from us this week, Bruce. Have a great weekend.
We'll certainly do my very, very best, and back at you too. Thanks, Courtney. Remember to stay up to date by visiting 9news.com.au. Now let's join Andrew and Melissa.